Okay, so I've been very sick and I'm still sick, so I thought I should do a video because it was so very long time ago now. But this video will be very short because I'm still very sick. But this video will be how I have changed the UI to be as I want it on my viwoods devices, my viwoods e-reader and viwoods e-note. So let's go to my table cam. Here we have my table cam and here have my two viwoods devices, the viwoods AiPaper Mini and the viwoods AiPaper Reader. And both devices are awesome, and especially now after a really nice update that makes the refresh rate so awesomely fast, so you can use these as real phones or real LCD tablets or whatever. But here we have them. We have first the viwoods AiPaper Mini here. The fingerprint sensor doesn't work when it's on the table, so I need to do it like this. As you see here now, I used the Nova launcher. I paid for the Prime version of the Nova launcher. And here we have that installed on the viwoods AiPaper Mini. So now I can have at the top Google Drive widget, because I use Google Drive a lot, and Google Docs and Google Gemini and Google Notebook LM. So I really love to have the Google Drive widget at the top so I can use my latest files I have used and so on. So now we go to the viwoods AiPaper Reader with the fingerprint sensor at the side. We see here now that here we have the same identical UI. We have the Nova launcher installed on this too, and I have an exact same UI. Yes, some of the icons are not in the same order and so on, but almost at least. And we have a Google search widget in the middle, and we have the Google Drive widget at the top. So these two devices now looks the same for me, and I can use them exactly the same as I want and so on. So for example, we have here the Google News feed. So I can now, as you can see, it's so fast. It's so incredibly fast to navigate now with the latest refresh rate in the beta version I have installed on this. And every time I release it, it cleans the UI so you don't have any ghosting and so on. Works great. And the same on the viwoods AiPaper Mini, that also run the latest beta with excellent refresh rate. You can scroll exactly the same speed as on the reader now on this one, as you can see. And you can also do, as I have already shown you, per app settings now. You can go in here and do per app settings. So you can have quick refresh, you can have best display on the app if you want that, for example, when reading in co-reader or something. So here I can raise the contrast for this app, for example. So now I use that contrast setting. So now these two devices looks the same, if you know what I mean. So I can use these in the same way and do all the stuff I want to do on these devices. So when I'm reading in Readest, for example, here, I can start Readest. And here we have the books I'm reading at the moment in Readest, and the same on the viwoods AiPaper Reader. As you can see here, everything in sync, even notations, annotations, bookmarks, everything syncs between these two devices because they are using Readest. And Readest can sync with co-reader too. So I really love the Readest app more and more because it looks so good. You have so good features. It's so fast, so simple to sync and everything. So it looks the same as you see here. I love Readest app, and it's very generous. The free version is very generous, and you can, if you prefer, bought more storage if you want, and so on. So these are really excellent to use the Readest app when reading books. So I think this is what I want to show you in this video, that I have removed the knowledge base widget at the top here. Instead I have a Google Drive widget. You don't need to have widgets at all. You can have all icons if you want, apps. But I want to have that. And the same with the Mini, you have all the built-in Mini features for note-taking and so on. I have removed that because I use these two devices for reading more now. So I don't use so much the pen anymore on the Mini. So I have these for reading and web browsing and learning and all that. So that's why. So that's it for this video, and hopefully I will be better now and doesn't be so sick as I am now. So hopefully next week I can do more videos again. So okay, bye.